In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can connect your Godaddy domain name to your Wix website. So before we begin, make sure you both logged in to Wix and Godaddy on the same browser. Now it's gonna be a complete step-by-step tutorial so you can follow along. So first let's go to Wix, and then on sites we can choose the site we want to add our domain name to. And now make sure you are at a premium plan. So on the free version this is not going to work. You need to have the premium plan of Wix. So right here we can simply click select site. There we go. And from here the first option is already connecting a custom domain. So now we want to go to GoDaddy to get our domain name. For me it's studiohassle.com. I simply copy it. And right here I'm going to paste it in and click let's go. And now as you can see it says studiohassle.com is taken. Is it yours? And then you want to click yes, I own this domain. And now as you can see it prompts us to link the domain name to our site. And this may take up to 48 hours to properly link. So we simply click continue right here. And now we need to change the name servers on our domain name. As you can see, the text that we are on GoDaddy. And now we can simply click authorize with GoDaddy, and it brings us to GoDaddy where we need to link them. Just like that, we click on continue. And now it's automatically gonna change the DNS records on our domain provider. And now we brought back to Wix, and now it says connection is in progress. It may take up to 48 hours for the domain to be fully connected. Now you can simply click got it, and it brings you back to Wix. And as you can see, it's now being linked. Now this was super easy, so now let's take a look if it's actually already linked. So I don't think so, but we can always take a look. Not yet, we need to wait a couple more hours, but this is pretty much everything you need to do. And now for the progress, they will also send you an email once it's done, but usually from my experience, this takes only a couple of hours to connect. Okay, then now it's a couple moments later, and as we can see, we get a message. The domain name was connected to your site, so we can now click go to site editor to publish the site. And now we can see we completed the step, and then now we can open up a new page again and then type in the domain name and see if it works, and it does. As you can see, we now get the Wix information. It hasn't been connected to my website yet, so let's do that as well. So we go back to domains. Now we can go to the site editor, and then in your site editor you want to click publish. And now we see congratulations, your site is published and live online under your domain name. So as you can see here, I have a dummy website just for the sake of this tutorial, but it's now live under this custom domain name. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you in the next one. Have a good day.